Hi everyone, this is Teacher Mel, and for today's topic we are going to discuss about Unit 5, Lesson 1, Help Our Planets, read and complete page 63. Okay? Now let's proceed. To start with, we have here the previous vocabulary. We are going to listen once again and repeat. Okay? So let's listen.
Smile 5, Unit 5. Help our planet.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and repeat.
Newspaper. Bottle. Can. Glass. Paper. Plastic bag. Rubbish. Bin. Recycle.
Okay. Now I want you to repeat. Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to our topic. We are going to read and complete. Read about the dialogue and complete the sentences. Are you ready? Okay, before that, let's look at the picture and tell their names. What is this picture? It is a plastic bag. This one, what is this picture? It is glass. What about this one? What is this? It is newspaper. This one, it is bin. And this one is paper. Okay, now let's read together about the dialogue. We have Peter and Rose. Okay, now let's read Peter. Peter says, "Do you always throw away so much rubbish?" And Rose says, "Yes, I do." Peter said, "Well, think before you throw it away. You can use some of it again." Rose said, "What rubbish do you reuse?" Peter said, "I reuse coffee jars to store sugar or sweets. I reuse plastic bags as rubbish bags around my house." Rose said, "And what about these envelopes?" Peter said, "I use them as scrap paper to make notes on." Rose said, "How about these newspapers?" Peter said, "I put them in recycling bins. Some people will recycle them." Okay, so Peter and Rose are having a conversation about reuse, recycle, and reduce. So now let's complete the sentence. Number 1. You can use jars to sweets. So what do you do for jars or glass jars? What do you do to use it? To Okay, store sweets. Write the answer here. And number 2, you can use plastic bags as, what do you use for plastic bags? You write the answer here. Number 3, you can use old envelopes to blank. Old envelopes for what? So you write the answer here. Number 4, put old newspapers in the blank. So where do you put the newspaper? You put the newspaper in the, and answer here. Number 5, reuse means use blank. What is reuse meaning? It means to use blank. Okay, answer here. I will check your book once you take a picture of your answer. Okay, I hope you take a picture and I will check it one by one. Next we go, look at the table and complete the paragraph. So now look at the table. We have here the table. So look, things they do to help the planet. So we have Betty, May, Harry, and Mark. So number 1, save water. Okay, look. So Betty save water, May save water, Harry save water, and Mark also save water. Number 2, write on 2 sides of paper. So May and Mark write on 2 sides of paper. For number 3, put rubbish in the bin. So only Betty, May, and Harry. Now let's complete the table. You are going to write a paragraph like this. Betty, May, Harry, and Mark help to save the planet. Betty saves water and put rubbish in the bin. May, what do May do? Look at May. May save water, write on 2 sides of paper, and put rubbish in the bin. You write here. And then after May, we have Harry. Then you write Harry, save water, and put rubbish in the bin. And then Mark, you write here, Mark, save water, and writes on 2 sides of paper. Understand? You have to write here. Okay, once you're done, you are going to take a picture of your answer and send to me or put in the comment section below. Okay, now we have the English sounds. We are going to listen and say. Okay, we have here these phrases, and then you are going to listen and repeat. Okay, let's listen.
Students' Book, Unit 5, Lesson 1. English sounds. Listen and say.
Save it. Put it in the bin. Write on 2 sides of paper.
Okay, now it's your turn to say it once again. What is this? Good. This one? Alright, what about this one? Very good. Now we go. And that's the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for today and have a wonderful day. Keep safe, everyone. Goodbye.